Hi guys, my name is Deekshita and welcome to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, then please make sure that you subscribe. So I am back with a new video and today I am finally back with a fashion video. इस बीच बहुत ज़्यादा vlogs वगैरह हो गए थे and I wanted to do a fashion video desperately. So I thought कि since winter is in full swing, I need to do a winter lookbook or some winter outfits, and also I have to tell you some tips and tricks that I personally use during winters, especially for layering and for creating outfits जबकि बहुत ठंडा हो, आपको बहुत सारे कपड़े पहनने हो. So in this video you learn how to ace layering. You'll see some really cute and very practical outfits that you can recreate. If you do, send me your pictures, and without wasting more of your time, let's just get started. So now before starting with the outfits, I want to give you my first tip, which is very crucial, and this is something that I want you to keep in mind before you start building your outfit, which is that the innermost layer that you wear, उसमें या तो आप अपना गुड थर्मल वेयर पहनो, इनर्स वगैरह जो आती हैं, या फिर if you are wearing like a full sleeve top, make sure that it's fitted. So your first layer needs to be very fitted so that it keeps you warm. This is especially for areas जहाँ पे काफी ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है. So talking about something fitted brings me to my first few outfits that I'll create using one of my favorite winter clothing piece, which are drum rolls, turtlenecks. So I've talked about them so much in the past. I made a video on winter closet essentials and मैंने उसमें आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताई थी जिसमें turtlenecks were on top of the list. And if you haven't already checked out that video, actually that's really good. You can check it out. I'll link it here and in the description bar because I don't want to get into all of that here since already एक video बना हुआ है. But yes, the first few outfits will be made created using turtlenecks. I have a few here. I've got this basic lavender color का turtleneck. This is very thin, so it's very good for layering since ज़्यादा bulky feel नहीं होता. And there this sweater which has turtleneck, and I like this because of the stripy detailing, because I think किसी basic सा outfit में इसको अंदर से पहनोगे तो ये बहुत different सा look ले आता है. So let's just use these and create a couple of outfits and you enjoy these outfits. Now if you live in a place which gets really cold, then obviously this is not enough for you, so you have to layer maybe like a jacket or a coat on top of it. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Here I'm taking this leather jacket and I'm putting it over my shoulder. I can obviously wear it also, but अभी थोड़ा सा fancy सा लग रहा था shoulder के ऊपर डालना. And this is the final outfit. I really liked how it turned out. So I've just wore these two pieces and I am feeling so damn warm, like I'm literally sweating right now. ये दोनों pieces इतने ज़्यादा गर्म है. So this is one of my go-to outfits for winter. सिर्फ sweatshirt ले लो, turtleneck ले लो, and I promise you, you'll look good, you'll feel warm, and you'll be very comfortable. So please try at least this outfit. ऐसा कुछ combination try करना साथ में and send me your pictures. And yes, this is the second outfit. So if I talk about turtlenecks and layering, then there is one outfit combination that I just cannot stop myself from talking about, which is turtleneck plus crop top, like your summer crop tops, if you have spaghetti tops, and that is a really good way of utilizing your summer clothes as well. So take any turtleneck, उसके बाद से कोई crop top pair up करो and wear high waisted jeans or skirts. आपका outfit बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So I went out recently with my friends and I wore this outfit and I had to show it here because मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. This was monochrome. This had the best fall colors in it, like winter fall colors. Tip number 2, shirts are really good pieces for layering, and the best thing about them is you can style them for casual wear and for formal wear as well, which is really good. Like आप ऑफिस जा रहे हो, आप किसी इवेंट में जा रहे हो, आप किसी बिजनेस मीटिंग में जा रहे हो, आप शर्ट को डिफरेंट वे से स्टाइल करो and you'll be good to go. I'll show you a couple of outfits involving shirt now, but yes, you need a few really good pieces and especially one white shirt. That's very important. So let's move on to the outfit. The length of my shirt is a little longer, but अगर थोड़ा सा छोटा होगा that would also work really well. I think that would look even more cuter. मेरे पास बस यही वाली थी, so I just wore it to show you, and I'm definitely wearing this, like recreating this outfit and wearing it outside, like whenever I go somewhere. मैं इसको definitely पहनूंगी because मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. And also I like that how these small studs have like dressed up this super casual outfit, and this is the final look. Please remember that if you live in the hilly areas of India, or if you live in places which gets really cold, or you are wearing outfits like these during, you know, December, late December, early January, जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है, you can obviously just personalize these, and इसके बाहर से आप और लेस ऐड कर सकते हो. Like you can wear a coat on top of it, you can wear jackets on top of it. So that is something that you need to remember, that you can obviously customize any of these outfits according to your style, your wardrobe and your geography. I am just in love with the colors of this outfit. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I just love this outfit so much. ये इतना beautiful लग रहा है. Like the camera is not doing justice to the actual outfit. Another quick tip is that if you are layering multiple pieces, if you keep them of same color family or of the same color, then your outfit will look more chic and more fashionable. I hope you are enjoying the outfit so far. Now moving on to next very good piece for layering, and something which is very important if it's extremely cold, is jackets. Obviously, so you have different variety of jackets. You've got leather jackets, bomber jackets, teddy jackets. Jackets multiple type के होते हैं. My personal favorites are leather jacket in different colors, and मुझे teddy jackets भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. This is hands down my favorite jacket. Like it is so warm and cozy. थोड़ी सी cropped है, but it's not that long. But I personally really like the length of it. मेरी mom, she hates this jacket. She's always like, तूने क्या jacket मंगा रखी है? ये इतनी बड़ी, इतनी bulky सी, but I just love it. This is the coziest jacket, and इतनी ज़्यादा गर्म होती है. And yes, this is the next outfit. Next tip. Leather jacket plus white shirt. That is one of my favorite combo for, you know, just making your outfit more fancier and dressier. another very important tip from my side, whenever you're layering multiple pieces, like in this outfit I've layered 3 pieces, then make sure कि हर एक का length काफ़ी different हो, so that it brings character to your outfit. So you can either go from increasing or decreasing order as well, like आप अपने सबसे अंदर का layer को सबसे छोटा रखो and then keep on increasing the length, or you can do the opposite, या फिर आप mix and match करो जैसे I've done here. Next tip for you is, if you're just tired of wearing your coats as it is, या फिर you just want to play around, then take your coat and उसका जो belt आता है, just wrap it around. Make sure it's a little oversized ताकि आप उसको अच्छे से wrap कर सको, and wear it as a dress. That is really good. And अगला tip involving this is, अगर आपको लगता है कि नीचे से आपको ठंडा लगेगा, then you can take some fleece वाला skin color के leggings and उनको पहन लो. It will look like it's your skin, but वो leggings होंगी and काफ़ी comfortable रहेगा. And उसके ऊपर से आप sheer tights भी पहन सकते हो if you are wearing boots. And with this we come to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you liked it and want more such videos, then definitely tell me in the comment section. अगर कोई video request है, then आप please मुझे वो भी ज़रूर बताना. Now if you like this video, then give this a big fat thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign. काफ़ी important है. And this is my Instagram handle. You can follow me there if you want to. And now I'll see you next time. Please leave anything in the comment section. But I love reading your comments. So एक comment ज़रूर छोड़ के जाना. Share this video with your friends if you want to. Let's grow our family bigger. And now I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye. I know I've already said bye, पूरा outro वगैरह सब कर दिया, and you must be wondering why am I here. But you know, I was just remembering कि मैंने 2 साल पहले भी एक winter layering outfits type का वीडियो किया था, and I was just remembering I've come such a long way. My style has evolved so much. If you haven't already watched that video, तो आप उसको ज़रूर देखना to see what my style was earlier and how as I am growing up my style is evolving. So yes, I want to end this video on this very sweet note. So now bye for sure. Bye. अब मैं interrupt नहीं करूँगी पक्का. Bye.